Hello viewers, in this video, we will see: is turtle bulletproof? A turtle's shell is very hard. It takes thousands of pounds of pressure to crush a turtle's shell. Due to such hard shells, turtles can defend themselves from predators. However, a bullet can break a turtle's shell as well as animals, like honey badgers, crocodiles, alligators, etc. Now, let's take a more in-depth look at the hardness of a turtle's shell. But first, what makes the turtle shell so hard? The shell of a turtle comprises of several small bones that are interconnected. These bones are covered by plates of keratin. They are also called scutes. Mostly, turtle shells are covered with hard scutes. The scutes are often called as shields as they protect the shell. Due to the hard scutes, turtle shell is very tough and is not easily breakable. How much force does it take to break a turtle shell? A turtle shell is really very hard and does not break easily. The size of the turtle determines the strength of its shell. It is said that an empty box turtle shell can resist up to 200 times its weight. It actually takes thousands of pounds of pressure to crush a turtle shell. It is that hard and tough. But, the shell of a sea turtle is softer as compared to other turtle shells. It can be broken if it is attacked by a predator due to its soft nature. And if you don't know this yet, turtles do feel pressures through their shells. Can a turtle shell withstand a bullet? It is true that the turtle shell is tough. But, this does not mean that it is bulletproof. A turtle shell cannot withstand a bullet. A turtle shell is made up of several bones that are attached to one another. Shell has nerves and blood do circulate in the shell. So, if a bullet hits the shell, it will cause an injury to its shell, and blood will start flowing. The turtle will experience tremendous pain in its shell. Which turtle has the hardest shell? Loggerhead sea turtles have the hardest shell amongst all other turtles. Hope you will like this video. Thanks for watching.